Welcome back, everybody. All right, the worst thing that could possibly happen when changing out plumbing fixtures happened. The mixer copper back there that goes into the cartridge housing bent. And that's because the old plumber 40 years ago, whoever did it, did not secure it properly and everything was just corroded. And after 40 years trying to take that nut off right there, the whole thing just twisted up. So we're gonna try and get in here and work without cutting the sheetrock on the other side of the wall. And to attempt to do that, we are going to use a new Delta fitting. That's an old Delta fitting in there, about 40 years old. This is a new one, and it does not have those copper mixing tubes. It's just a solid brass piece. Picked up some 1/2-inch shark bites. Says 1/2-inch to 1/2-inch MPT. We're going to get it all sealed up and cut the old one out with a multi-tool saw and see if we can't get this thing put back in with as least damage to the surrounding area as possible. We got our handy Milwaukee tool here with a multi-blade on it. That is a titanium multi-metal. And we're just gonna probably cut as close as we can to the fitting there. Probably like right on there. And then right up here, right there. And maybe we'll start on this side first and we'll pull it this way, and we'll do this side first maybe and get all that out. All right, we're gonna try and cut this out, see what happens. Alright, we cut through it. Super hard to do while holding, but you get the point. Just cut through the fittings, and let's get this cartridge out the middle. Alright, we got that old valve out down there, and we'll show you. See how it got all twisted up in there? And we got the opening for the new one. Let's try and get this thing in focus here. There we go. And we can fish it through, no problem. We'll get it in there, get it tightened up. First thing we gotta do is put some thread tape and sealant on these 1/2-inch shark bites and cut off the ends here, the rough cuts on all this copper, because this is much bigger than the cartridge that was in there, so we have enough pipe to play with. All right, we got the copper cleaned off. We had to pull the brace back off. It's a little bit of a tight fit in there, but we're gonna get it in there and lock it in. Hopefully it fits and it doesn't leak. All right, we got the cartridge in. We tested it, it works. We're just gonna leave it for about an hour or two and make sure that there's no drips on any of these fittings here. And then we'll close back up the hole. All right, everything's in. We had to make a little bit of a spacer with some wood there, just to space it out so the faceplate sat on properly. But that's what we're gonna get on next, the faceplate. And then you gotta work on getting this spout off. We may not work on that today. It might be stuck on there, we'll see. But the main thing was getting this cartridge changed out. So we're gonna clean the area up. We let it sit for about an hour. We don't see any leaks or anything, so we're doing good. This particular Delta faucet has an O-ring that you just stick right behind the cartridge nut. It also has a spacer inside this sleeve, and it just slides right over. And then you put your faceplate on. All right, quick DIY pro tip getting this out. If you wanna get this spigot in and out without scratching it, take a channel lock, put it inside the hole, it'll fit as far up as it'll go, and use that as leverage to take it out and put it in. That way you don't scratch anything up with any pipe wrenches. All right, that completes the installation. We did not have to bust through the other side of the wall. It is possible as long as you take some double measurements and make sure you test fit everything before committing. And you can save thousands of dollars, honestly, because that's what it would have cost to have somebody come out here. We're gonna turn it on and show you. Everything is working fine. And it does shut off with no leaks anymore. And there's the residual water slowing down. Hope this helps you guys. If you want to consider becoming a member, that helps our channel out immensely, bringing you these videos to save thousands of dollars as a homeowner. Either way, we appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.